Good morning. Today we shall discuss about one of the important topic of value and ethics, that is your voluntarism. Voluntarism is an important aspect of the modern world. Here voluntarism means it is one of the non-government activities by the citizen of a country's people. When someone does some work like awareness, rallies, your blood donation, or any sort of social activities for the benefit of the people, that is called voluntarism. Actually, voluntarism means act of something or someone which is unpaid. For that sort of activities like awareness, rallies, blood donation, or any sort of social activities, when a person or someone unpaid or not paid by anybody else, that is called voluntarism. And it is the willingness of the will of the person, will of that person to serve the society. And in a society we have a government, but government is unable to provide all sort of facilities to the people. Therefore, person in general or citizen of that country are interested to serve the people in different ways. The ways may be awareness, may be rallies, may be blood donation or social services, etc. And now come to who is a volunteer. Everybody may be a volunteer. The person may be a student one, may be a teacher, may be an employee, or who may be a employer. Everybody may be a volunteer. The volunteer have the will to do something, will or wish, you may say, wish to do something, and his main duty, his main activities is to serve the society. But the matter is that person, that volunteer will not get any sort of benefit in return. That person may not get any sort of benefit in state. Here, if that person does so many kinds of activities in the society selflessly, he has not any return from that person who is served by that person, is called a volunteer. Here you will find so many kinds of picture in this video, and you will find an interesting thing that the volunteer is not getting a penny or not getting a rupee for his service. It is purely a social service which is provided by the volunteer. If that person is paid, then it is just for his certificate or just for his any sort of need, but it is not a government job. It is purely private job, or you may say purely voluntary activities. Then what is volunteering? Volunteering means the way, the process in which a volunteer works. The word volunteering refers to the procedure or activities, you may say process, in which the volunteers did works. It may be individual, he can do a work alone or by a group of people of 5, 7 or 10, etc. But mostly the volunteers are working in the society with the brand of a association. For example, namely, here in your college there is a association called Red Cross. Red Cross is a government institution actually. It is, but there are so many kinds of private institutions. For example, your Rotary Club, Lions Club, Rotary Club, you know, Rotary Club are active in this social activities, and Lions Club are also active in this social activities. The volunteers of Lions Club and the volunteers of Rotary Club and some other associations are there. They were working for the benefit of the people, for the development of the people through different ways, like awareness campaign, performing rallies, donating blood, and your sweeping and cleaning the social, your different types of roads, then different places of public attraction, and they were serving the people in case of emergencies. You know, during Corona period also, some social workers included in these activities, and they were performing so many kinds of activities in the hospital and also outside the hospital. And here is a link between the three work: volunteerism, volunteer, and volunteering. You must have to know the difference. The activities is called volunteerism. The activities itself is called volunteerism. And those who involve in that activities is called a volunteer. And the process in which that volunteer is working is called volunteering. It is significant one. And here, the voluntary activities of the volunteer is known as volunteerism, and the process in which the volunteers are act is known as volunteering.